हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल स्मार्ट मॉम एजुकेशन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे एक वेरी स्वीट इंग्लिश रीडिंग पैसेज, माय मदर। सो फ्रेंड्स, बी रेडी एंड रीड विथ मी। लेट्स स्टार्ट। माय मदर। आई लव माय मदर। माय मदर इज वेरी kind. I love my mother. My mother is very kind. She wakes up early in the morning. She wakes up early in the morning. In the kitchen, she makes tasty food for me. In the kitchen, she makes tasty food for me. After school, she helps me with my homework. After school, she helps me with my homework. At night, my mother tells me sweet stories. At night, my mother tells me sweet stories. When I am sick, she takes care of me. When I am sick, she takes care of me. Her smile makes me happy. Her smile makes me happy. She works very hard for our family. She works very hard for our family. I am proud of my mother. I love her very much. I am proud of my mother. I love her very much. I love my mother. My mother is very kind. She wakes up early in the morning. In the kitchen, she makes tasty food for me. After school, she helps me with my homework. At night, my mother tells me sweet stories. When I am sick, she takes care of me. Her smile makes me happy. She works very hard for our family. I am proud of my mother. I love her very much. Very good. Now let's answer some comprehension questions. Listen carefully and try to answer. Question number first. Who wakes up early in the morning? My mother wakes up early in the morning. What does mother make in the kitchen? She makes tasty food in the kitchen. When does mother tell stories? Mother tells stories at night. Who takes care of the child when he or she is sick? The mother takes care of the child. Why is the child proud of the mother? The child is proud because the mother works very hard for the family. Family. Good job. I hope you enjoyed this English reading practice. अगर आपको वीडियो में क्विज मिली हो तो उसे ट्राई करें और सॉल्व करें और कमेंट भी करें। इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल स्मार्ट मॉम एजुकेशन। ऐसे इंग्लिश रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस के लिए चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहिए। फ्रेंड्स, मैं इंग्लिश रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस के साथ साथ बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट पे बहुत सारे क्लासेस की वीडियो बनाती हूँ, आप प्लेलिस्ट में जा कर के वीडियो चूज़ करके देख सकते हो। कीप रीडिंग एंड कीप लर्निंग। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। बाय बाय। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।